I started building about 45 years ago and started building mini storages off and on. They kind of cycle through. I started about 35 years ago. I'd been dealing with another company for about 20 years, and the owner of the company that I was friends with actually had passed away, and I thought it was time to make a change, and it turned out really good. I called Building Outlets, and actually was over this project that we're standing in front of right now, and talked to a gentleman named Jeremy, and he answered my questions, gave me numbers right away. So I bought a couple buildings from him, which we're standing in front of, and then since then I've bought 5 more buildings. You start out by, you'll get shop drawings from them, engineering drawings, their delivery dates. They set up a delivery date. They have not missed a delivery date yet, so it'd be hard for me to complain about that. We did the concrete. They came and paved the site, and then the building showed up, so we had a nice clean site to work off of. The 4 buildings we've finished so far through those guys, we have 3 more actually to go. Everything is fit so far. They do now put, it's called Drip X on the roofing, so I'm not having to deal with vinyl back insulation or some kind of vapor barrier product. On these buildings here, I even asked for a little bit different trim than they normally use. They didn't complain about it, they just did what I asked, because we already had a couple buildings already here and we wanted to match them, and they did that without putting up much of a fuss about it at all. I mean, they were good about it. They use top quality components. I mean, from their base clips, which you start with, their C's and Z's are top quality. They label them all, which is a big plus, so I'm not having to physically measure them. I mean, every piece is stamped. They give you an extra piece of the longest item you have of each product. That way, if one's missing or if you mess one up, you have something to replace it with without having to call and get another piece. So that's a big plus.